So welcome to welcome to the show. Ask me how. Now this is a place where you can ask any of your doubts, any queries, any questions regarding Vedic mathematics. Right. Uh, okay. V11904. Please rename yourself so that we can talk to each other. Yes, Purna Kumar. You were.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes. So let's
Good
start with
afternoon,
you.
sir. Good
Good
evening,
evening.
sir. How are you?
Good evening. You had certain doubts. I think you were messaging. So now please ask.
Yeah. Like, actually, I want to know about this Vedic mathematics. Actually, how we do the calculation related with different.
Okay. So you are into computers, I think, Hannah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Regarding more on calculation, so you have registered for a workshop on Saturday, correct? So we'll be having a
Yes,
workshop for you at 2 p.m. On Saturday as well as on Sunday, right? So we'll discuss there more. But to give you introduction, what is Vedic maths? Vedic maths is a simple application that makes your mathematics easy and faster, right? Now,
yes, sir.
whatever we have done in maths, let it be addition, subtraction, multiplication, squaring, cubing, square root,
Square
cube
root.
root, anything, whatever you have done till now, all those methods, all those concepts we can do with the simple concepts. And that techniques, that collection of that techniques is called Vedic mathematics.
That means that technique will be taught by you later on.
That would be
The technique for doing the addition, subtraction.
Mhm.
Will you teach that technique today or later on?
No, that would be in the workshop for which you have signed.
Workshop.
See, this is a place
Yeah.
where I'll clear the doubts. What is Vedic mathematics? But techniques, all techniques cannot be taught in this.
No.
Right now, yes, but I'll give you some hints today also. If time allows, I'll give you. Now, for example, you have subtraction. Now, subtraction you do with borrowing, right?
Yes, sir.
But for your information, in Vedic maths, we don't have a system of borrow. There is nothing like borrow. It is all by one poem or one rhyme. That is all from 9 and last from 10. And all your calculations are done. So such things, see, in maths, we call it as formulas.
Yeah.
And here, those techniques, we call it as sutras, right? Those formulas or those techniques, we call it as sutras. So we have 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. So 29 in total, which is helpful in our arithmetic, algebra, conics, calculus, trigonometry, geometry, and even organic chemistry. Correct. So this is all. Now, why is the need? The need is everyone has a fear of mathematics. And that
It is the main problem of every student.
Yes. Now, can I ask you one question?
Yeah, you can, sir.
Okay, so I think first thing is, now you have enrolled for a training course, and we should be you're into computer, so we see, if you're not switching on your video, then how can we converse?
Okay, yeah.
So this is very important. Like, okay,
I think now my video is on. I think.
oh, sure.
I think you can see me now. Yes or no?
How much time do you know tables?
Yeah, table, sir.
How much time you need to write a table of 89?
It takes time because I have to do the addition.
That means, okay, there was a girl right now. You should contact her on Saturday evening.
Yeah.
Now, time you are saying, time, how much time approximately?
For me, I think in the beginning, it maybe takes more than 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Doing the
So
multiplication of 89.
that
Yeah.
small girl, she'll be able to do within 10 seconds. See, the point is, we are not teaching them in a simpler manner. We are making things more and more complicated. I'll give you here itself, I'll show you how. Let me ask others also. Yes, Dharmaraj, Sudeep, Vinod, Suraj.
So others guys, if you have any question, you can ask.
See, that is,
because this is the session of questioning and answering.
yes, that's what. If you're not clearing your doubts now, when will you? Okay. Now, okay, I'll show you. Chalo, I'll start with a very small number. Now, if you have to write a table of 18, let's say very small number 18, how will you do?
Like in easy method, what we do is 18, 1.
How do you do? Now, what we are taught in schools is 1 is multiplication. That means we cram. Correct? Up till few numbers, it is possible. But do you think it is possible for every number? No.
No.
Second method. So this is one concept which teachers generally ask, and it involves cramming. Without cramming, it cannot be done. Second is they teach us, okay, add 18 plus 18, you'll get 36. Next time, add 36 plus 18, 54. So that means every time carryover is coming. Then 54 plus 18, 172, and so on. Now, how much time this will take?
Yeah, it may takes more than 1 minute to write the table of 18.
Not more 1 minute for 1 minute for you, but if you talk about children, they'll take 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And what happens? This hampers their confidence. That motivation is gone. Why kids are having a fear? See, when a child is going to a preschool, very happily they'll go. Very happily, that those 4 years are very happy, 5 years. First class, okay, good. The moment table starts, they start having a fear of maths. And not even kids. I asked you a question, even you are not clear. Yes, how much time you will take? So it is, and though you are not a math teacher, if anyone is math teacher from here, ask the same question to him also. They'll have the same answer. Why? Because it has never been taught in any book, neither in your Nepal, neither in my India, neither in US, UK, anywhere. Because we are following the English methodology. Second thing, we are now, mother or teachers, what do we teach? We teach a child that always understand a concept, learn, and then you'll remember. But first, understand the concept. Don't cram. This is what we usually teach. But at the same time, math teacher says, cram the tables because it's very difficult to understand, learn, or remember. So initially, we are teaching wrong to our kids ourselves. We are making them confused either to learn and remember or either to cram the things. This is the start. This is the beginning where a child starts learning cramming. So now see a simple solution. Do you know table of 1?
Yeah, I think everyone knows the table of 1.
So if everyone knows this, then everyone should know every table. See.
So it will be harder, sir.
I just took a class on Sunday in Ataria, one school. A video is available. Just see the same students. 5 minutes before they were saying only 12 table, and then within half an hour, 99. Class 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So yes, everyone knows table of 8. Now there is one concept which is called as place value. What does that mean? At unit place, you should have 1 digit. At tens place, you should have 1 digit. At 100 place, you should have 1 digit. That means at every place value, it should have 1 digit. Just follow that principle. See here, 1 place unit, 1 tens, 18 as it is. Here 6 as it is. Now 1 is extra. You cannot have 2 digits at 1. So what will that go? Move. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, 5.
It is the table of 18. It is the
2, 7, 0, 9, 8, 10, 6, 12, 4, 14, 2, 16. Such simple. Now what is easy? Adding 18 every time, or adding 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 6 plus 4, which is easy?
The second part one.
So why we
1,
have
3
not
plus
been
2.
taught? Now, and the very important thing is here now cramming goes off. You can write any table you can think, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit table without any effort. See, this is effortless learning. That is important. When you say effortless learning, that makes a difference. Got my point? So what we are taught, either we should cram or we should add. Now for 18, okay, it was simple question. It was a very simple table. You can add. What will happen if I ask you 87? Will you add 87 every time? Oh, 1 carryover, 17. Then 174 plus 87. Again, 1 carryover here. Then carryover. So how many times you will make carryovers over carryover? And here what you have to do? 16, 14, 24, 21, 28, 32, 40, 35. Again, the same thing. 1 at 1 unit place, 1 tens place, right as it is. 4 constant, but 1 is extra, so move it. Now, how simplified the addition is. Here, carryovers, here just 16 plus 1, everybody will do. 24 plus 2, 26. 32 plus 4, 34. So how simple the things become. Try to teach this to any child. He'll never forget tables. That all that fear, it will be gone. So why we are always focusing on the tough methods or the confusing things or the complicated things? Why not we make the education more simpler, more interesting, more innovative?
Like one thing is, before we do these steps of place values, first thing is we have to know the table also. Like you have done the table of 8 and 7. Yeah. So student must know the table of 8 as well as 7. Then only they are able to
No,
get the table of 87.
No, Pawan Kumar,
Yeah.
this is, see, you should not have, now this is like, I don't want to agree on it. What is the minimum qualification for Vedic maths? Tables up till 8. Is it a big
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it a big
So
thing
this
then?
this is the answer I want to know.
Don't,
First
no,
thing is we
this
have to
is
know
like,
table up to 8 basic needs.
see, every student knows it. So don't
Yeah.
underestimate them.
Oh
Every
no,
student
not
of
like that.
class 1, class 2 also knows up till 8.
Like
So
some of the students are they don't know till they go to higher classes, they don't know the table also.
no,
Most of the students.
no,
Yeah.
I'll tell you the truth. Try to listen. I have visited or I have given classes in more schools. 3rd, 4th, 5th class, they know up till 12.
Yeah.
Or at least 9 they know. Right? But the irony is, the negativity is, even class 8th, 9th, 10th, they also know up till 12. This is the worst situation. Why? Now, what is the reason behind this? You have allowed calculators. So
Yeah,
why
sir, that is the problem.
learn?
Another, yeah, because of the calculator, nowadays students, they don't learn the table, just they use the calculator to do the multiplication of 2 into 2 also. They use calculator.
Now, Poon Kumar, tell me one thing.
Yeah,
Which is more effective, a calculator
effective
or a
is this
human
to learn
mind?
the table, to learn the
Right.
table up to 8.
A human mind is more effective or
Yeah,
calculator?
human mind, sir.
Then who has to give this input? See, who allowed the calculators? If you would have not allowed, you are simply washing your hands and blaming the students that they are using calculators. Who allowed calculators in the exams?
Yeah, teachers only.
So how can you blame the students?
I'm not believing, because this is the rules, like from beginning only they used to.
So are these who oppose these rules?
The schools only, administration.
Nobody wants. Everybody wants a simple thing, not to take efforts. What are you? You know what are you doing? You're spoiling your future. You know Nelson Mandela.
Yes, sir.
He said one thing. Just try to understand. If you have to destroy one country, allow cheating in the exams. What does that mean? And that is what you're doing. Allowing calculators in maths exam. What is that? What is that? Yes, tell me. Do you think now you are into computers? If you
Yeah.
don't know maths, if you don't have that skills, will you be able to do programming?
No, sir.
Then, because, and if you have always used calculators, will you be able to make any program? Yes, window-based applications, you will be perfect. But
No.
when it comes to the programming part, will you be able to do? Analytical thinking, will you be able to have any time?
Yes,
Please think over that. So that I told you that you were saying kids don't know. I tell you one thing. I have visited your schools. Class 3rd, 4th, 5th, they know tables up till 12. But the very unfortunate situation is even class 8th, 9th, 10th also know up till 12th. So they don't rise after that. They don't try after 5th class, because then they feel, oh, we have got the calculators. Why should we do now? And
but
this
that is the habit.
yes,
Because of that only. Yeah.
Right. Yes, Tirupati, any questions you have? Abhishek Gimre, Vinod, Trupti Desai.
So I'm clear about this. Do the multiplication.
See, it's only one point. I have just
Yeah.
showed you one thing. But see, now you can do up till 99. So within 1 minute or 5 minutes, you learn tables up till 99, which you have not done till your this age.
Now I can write, sir. Now I get
That
this.
is what I'm
Yeah.
saying. That is what
Yeah.
I'm saying. Maths could not teach you since so many years, and now Vedic maths could teach you within seconds. Did you understand?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, my daughter in 6th standard, but all the subject she is very, very clever, but she don't understand maths, sir. So for the maths only, her percentage is very low.
Because see, because the point is, we all have a fear factor of maths. Even you might be having a fear. You might have been pressuring her. Do maths. Maths is difficult. Maths is tough. Maths is difficult. So what happens? That is always in the mind, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, maths is just a fun. it is having only 10 numbers. And
Yes, sir.
with these 10 numbers, 1 to 9 and a 0, you can
She's on
play.
the line, sir. She's on the line. Her name is Charvi Desai. She is on the line, sir. Please talk with her, sir.
Charvi, can you switch on your video, beta?
Charvi?
Yes,
Yes,
Charvi.
sir.
Yes, tell me, Charvi. डर लगता है मैथ से?
इतना भी नहीं.
अरे डरना नहीं है, मास्टर बन जाओगे 10 मिनट में. क्या नहीं आता कि किसमें डर लगता है?
सर नंबर्स बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है सर, नंबर में उसको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है सर.
Okay, ma'am, we have a workshop on Saturday and Sunday morning 10 to 11:30. 2 days का
Okay.
workshop है. इसका सारा
Okay.
tables, सारा और एक बहुत important concept, that is how
Yes.
to check your answers. See, what is lacking in students is the confidence. हमें उन्हें
Yes.
रट्टू तोता नहीं बनाना, हमें उनमें confidence भरना है. And
Yes.
Vedic math gives a solution to it. Ki you can cross check, you can verify your answers, and that is the
Yes,
best
sir.
thing. Within 3
Yes.
seconds, she can check all her answers. अच्छा बेटा, आपको अगर ये पता चल जाए आपने जो क्वेश्चन किया है वो ठीक है, ये गलत है, तो कैसा लगेगा आपको? How will you feel?
Sorry, sir. I can't hear you.
Okay, if you are appearing in an exam and somebody gives you, somebody tells you कि yes, this answer is correct, so how will you feel?
सर उसको पता है आंसर सही है, पर she don't have a confidence. उसको पता है
उसको नहीं
आंसर
पता,
सही है.
उसको नहीं मैम, नहीं, मैं वही मेथड तो देने वाला हूँ, वही टेक्निक. See, that is not available in maths, that is available
Yes.
in Vedic maths, and within 3
Yes.
seconds the students can verify their answers. Second thing, you
Hmm.
might have observed one thing. Now she's in 6th standard, so that means
Yes.
that means इनके वो एग्जाम ओलंपियाड्स हुए थे, NTSC हुए थे, and
हाँ.
इनकी क्लास
But sir,
कोई भी क्रैक नहीं
sir,
कर पाया.
थर्ड तक किया था, फिर तो ऑनलाइन, फिर वो कोरोना की वजह से सर नहीं हो पाया.
देखिए, now I'll tell you the reason behind it. See,
हम्म.
the point is, any competition exam, any test, that is always race against time. हमें
Yes.
मैथ्स आता है, बट मैथ्स कैसे जल्दी करना है और ठीक करना है ये नहीं आता.
हाँ, राइट.
अगर हम एक क्वेश्चन पे 10 मिनट लगा रहे हैं, अब कोई भी कंपटीशन जब होता है तो there is a time limit. It is generally 100 questions in 120 minutes. That means you get only 1 minute to solve one question.
Yes,
तो
sir.
जब हम इनका वो लेंगे वर्कशॉप, उसमें एक कंसेप्ट बताएंगे, that is known as digital root या digit sum, with the help of which they can solve MCQs, multiple choice questions. और
Okay, sir.
मैथ्स के पेपर में मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस आपको सॉल्व नहीं करने होते, आपको ऑब्जर्व करके, उसे कहते हैं जस्ट विजुलाइज करके आंसर निकालना होता है. वो उसी को
Okay.
आता है जिसको कंसेप्ट पता है. अदरवाइज एक नॉर्मल बच्चा क्या करेगा, वो उसको पूरा कैलकुलेट करेगा, वो ठीक कर जाएगा, बट 1 मिनट की बजाय अगर 5 मिनट ले लिए तो दैट मींस शी विल लीव 4 क्वेश्चंस. सो व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट? लॉस हो गया उल्टा.
जी सर.
So that is the major issue. I'll share you the form. इनकी workshop आप attend करवाएं Saturday or Sunday, then see the difference within 1 hour.
Okay, sir. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
चलो.
Okay.
Yes. Vinod, Dharmraj, Sudeep, Abhishek, any questions you have?
No, sir.
Yes, Dharmraj.
No, sir.
You joined today, so tell me if you
Sir,
have any queries, any questions.
No, sir. I am understanding little. So
Okay. What do you do as of now?
me
Yes.
nowadays or today?
नहीं, आप करते क्या है, मतलब किस प्रोफेशन में है, जॉब में, स्कूल में, किस
Oh.
में?
I am a yoga teacher and I am a tour guide. So I do
योगा
yoga.
टीचर किस एसोसिएशन से जुड़े हुए हैं? आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग से, योगा अलायंस से, या किससे?
योगा लाइन से।
आपको एक चीज बताऊं,
यस
yoga heals your body, meditation heals
Yes,
your
sir.
soul, but to heal the academic performance you need Vedic mathematics. I think आप मेरा
yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
समझ गए होंगे.
that's good, sir.
So I was
Yes, sir.
with, yes, I was there in Art of Living Ashram also for a few days, and this is what I gave the conclusion, and it is being now followed also. Right, because the
Yes,
first
sir.
focus of any parent is not yoga, it is always academics.
Yeah.
But yoga, how important yoga is, they realized when they fell ill. So yoga is the most important, but we realize when we are not well. We don't realize when we are fine. Yes, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, that's true, sir.
Yes, beta. You have any queries? Yes, Yogendra sir, what is her name?
PUC.
Yes,
Pihu.
PUC. Any doubts you have?
Do you have any doubts, Sudhir Hasan?
No.
No. So you know tables,
Yes.
Yes.
multiplication, division.
Sorry, I don't understand. Ma'am. Bujana, ma'am.
I don't understand.
Division.
Division.
Divide.
Divide.
Division. Divide. Divide answers or no? No, sir. No.
No.
Chalo, no issues. We'll do every. You are coming on Saturday, now we'll do.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
anyone else? Abhishek, any questions you have, please tell me. Sudeep,
No query, sir. I am just listening.
you're listening. What do you do? आप क्या करते हैं?
मैं 11th में हूँ सर.
11th में है. कहाँ से? नेपाल में कहाँ से?
हम उधर चितवन.
चितवन.
यस सर.
तो 11th के बाद क्या करने का इरादा है? कंपटीशन देंगे? तो स्पीड तो चाहिए. You need speed for that. You need to have the concepts of multiplication, squaring, cubing, square root, cube roots, and algebra.
Yes sir. I have some idea, but not more than that.
Okay, for seniors also we have a workshop in the evening 2 to 4 Saturday only. So you can contact Umesh sir. He'll guide you. And
Okay,
we'll
sir.
go ahead. Right, Binod.
सर नमस्कार.
नमस्कार विनोद.
मैं नेपाल से हूँ सर.
जी बताइए.
ये जो वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स है ना सर, ये जो ज्योतिष ने सीखते हैं वो मैथमेटिक्स, ये मैथमेटिक्स सेम है और ये दूसरा है सर.
ज्योतिष करते हैं, पर मैं ज्योतिष नहीं सिखाता हूँ. मैं सिर्फ स्कूल तक का रखता हूँ, जहाँ पे बच्चों का काम आ जाए, जहाँ पे कॉम्पिटिशन्स की तैयारी हो जाए, टीचर सीख जाए ताकि वो बच्चों को एक्सपर्ट बना दे, मैं उतना कराता हूँ. ज्योतिष वाला टॉपिक मैं डील नहीं करता, बट है सेम. अगर आप उस पर रिसर्च करते हो तो यस.
जी सर, वही मेरा क्वेश्चन था. आई गॉट आंसर्स.
अभिषेक किशोरी कुंवर.
Can I ask one more question?
Yes, Purna, sure.
After learning from here, as a Vedic mathematics teacher, what is the scope in the near future? Like if I want to become a Vedic mathematics teacher or instructor.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. You are at in which place?
And I am from Nepal only.
In Nepal, which city?
Ilam.
Okay. How many schools are there?
Around 12 or 13.
12, 13 schools are there.
Yeah.
Now, how many students are there in class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th? Total approximation.
Approximately around 250.
Total 12 schools, 5 classes.
up to class 5 to 8 or 5 to 10?
3 to 8.
3 to 8, approximately 450, nearly
In 12
450.
So altogether in 12 schools.
Not here, up to 10 only.
Now point
Means,
is, see, everyone has a fear of maths. So can you
yeah.
not start with tuition classes? Can you not start with a coaching center? Can you not start
Yeah.
with a place where you remove the fear of maths?
I want to be part of this. That is
One
why
thing is this.
I want to know
Now,
more about it.
why I am not talking now? If you talk about me only, now just now in Dhangadi we finalized 2 schools. We have given the books. If you see the my page,
Yeah, I
right?
saw that. We have
Then
tie up 2
uh,
schools here.
2 more schools are coming up in Dhangadi. 5 schools are coming up in Kathmandu. So who will train them? Will they not look for teachers? Will they not look for trainers? Why they are opting for Vedic maths? See, every school wants to have the best. Now, how can you change? How can you convert? How can you give the best to your kids? And what best you can give? The best is knowledge, that confidence, that motivation. How will you motivate the kids? Tell me.
Like
So
related with
Vedic maths is a very simple. See, Vedic maths does not, it's not only learning maths, it is a life-changing process. How it is life-changing process? Because everything you do by visualization. Now visualization me, okay, I'll give you one example for everyone. 576 into 121. This is a question. How will you do? Yes, Pihu, how will you do?
How will you do? Kasari. Kasari, kasari. Multiplication.
How will you do?
Multiply 1, 2, 1. And
Yes. Puna, how will you do? She is trying.
like
You tell
we
me.
used to write like 576 multiply 1 to 1 like that. We used to do in the school
So
days.
you
Yeah.
do like this, 7,
Yeah.
5,
7, 5,
then 2,
and do addition.
then carry over, then so and
That's
so.
right.
So 3 times multiplication
Yeah.
and 1 time addition.
Addition.
Correct? Now you are going to
Yeah.
attend the workshop. I didn't want it to show you right now so that all the excitement will go off. Now you will visualize what is this number? 121. What is that? 11 into 11. Now this is verbal. 6336 into 11. That is 69696. How did I do this? Now the question you might ask me. But before that, let me tell you. Now what happens in Vedic maths? We visualize first. First is you visualize everything. So your visualization improves. Second is reasoning skills. And third, logics. Now, if these 3 things are with anyone, you come across any situation in your life, you will first visualize the problem, then find a reason behind it, and then apply a proper logic. So that is why I call Vedic maths is a life-changing process. Now, how we did that, you learn in the workshop, because that calculation I don't want to open right now, but it is very simple. Mentally, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? It is nothing. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Finish. So this speed would be yours after 5 to 10 minutes only. It's not after 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. I say 5 to 10 minutes. So this Saturday, be ready. You'll have it, right? So these three things play a very important role in the life. Right? Yes, Pihu, you will also learn. Don't worry, we'll do. Abhishek,
Thank you, sir.
Kishori,
Okay, sir.
Kishori, Abhishek, are you there? Yes, Kishori, do you have any questions?
That means our workshop will be on Saturday and Sunday.
The workshop is on Saturday and Sunday. For you, it is 2 to 4. For Pihu, it is morning 10 to 11:30. That is
My time, sir.
that is a kids workshop. Your is teachers workshop.
Time, sir.
Huh?
Again. Time, sir. Again, can you tell me the
I
time
have
again?
given you time 2 to 4 p.m. IST. You might you have received my message stating.
Yeah, I will see.
You have to-
I will go through about it. I will go through this, sir.
No, it is 2 to 4. Yes, Binod.
Sir, is the Saturday course paid or not?
Sorry.
Is the Saturday course that you are giving and Saturday?
I'm not
It is
able to
paid
understand
or-
you. Please be a bit louder.
Is the Saturday course paid or not?
Paid. That means fees is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a paid one because it is 2 days workshop. You'll be learning some concepts of Vedic maths and you'll be learning how to launch your own classes. But it is very
Okay.
nominal. Yes,
What is the price for this?
it is 199 IC or 320 NC.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. See, for knowledge, any price is priceless. Because once you learn in lifetime, then you can further teach also. Right?
Yes, sir.
So what do you do, Sudeep? क्या करते हैं आप?
I will try my best for my parents.
Sorry?
Because my parents, I will ask for my parents.
मैं कुछ और- अच्छा आप स्टूडेंट हैं अभी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Great. Yes, Kishori. So if yes, anyone has any questions left? Yes, any questions left or will?
I have to ask one. Sir, how much will the course duration after that 2 days workshop? Like
What
after
is?
2 days, how much the time
See,
after 2 days workshop?
after
There's a
2 days
program
workshop,
of
you can start
step
teaching the
3.
kids. You can start taking the classes of the kids. But definitely,
Yeah.
if you want to go for a thorough understanding, thorough learning,
Yeah.
and you want to teach all bigger ones also, elder one also, then there is a teacher training module. We'll learn later on. Right? I will discuss that later on.
But I want to go to the step 3 also after
Yes,
taking the
we
workshop.
are already two batches are going on from Nepal already.
So how long will be that course, the duration of that course?
It is 65 hours course.
That means per day,
No, it
per
is
day
not
1 hour,
it is
65
not
days.
per day. It is either weekend batch or weekdays batch. Weekend means Saturdays and Sundays. Weekdays means Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Last Saturday also we started one batch. There we have 7 students from Nepal.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yes, anyone else? Any questions left? So then I have a class.
Sir, what do you suggest for the to remove the fear from the student of fear of math?
आपकी आवाज बहुत धीरे आ रही है, थोड़ा सा आवाज थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए।
मैथ के दौर को खत्म करने के लिए आपके कोई सजेशन है?
बिल्कुल, आप देखिए मैथ प्रैक्टिस से आता है। पहली चीज तो हमें अपने कंसेप्ट को, जैसे अभी आपने टेबल का मेथड देखा,
हाँ,
तो अगर ये मेथड से करेंगे तो पहली चीज ये टेबल्स का डर खत्म हो गया।
ओके।
ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे हर एक का है, एडिशन में अलग कंसेप्ट है, सब्ट्रैक्शन में अलग है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में अलग है। सी इजी कंसेप्ट हैं, पहले समझिए। वैदिक मैथ्स मेक्स योर कैलकुलेशन इजी एंड फास्टर। तो जब आपकी कैलकुलेशन इजी और फास्ट हो जाएंगी तो वो डर अपने आप खत्म हो जाएगा ना।
वो ठीक है।
गॉट माय पॉइंट? दिस इज अ रीजन व्हाई इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने इस सब्जेक्ट को नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में कंपलसरी कर दिया है, ताकि हर क्लास 3rd से लेकर 9th तक को पढ़ाया जा सके। राइट, सो दैट इज व्हाई yes, anyone, any questions left? So if no questions left, so I think we should finish the session so that I can also, yes,
Yes, sir. I think.
any question left? Dharmraj,
No,
Sudeep?
I have no questions.
No
I will join
issues.
on Saturday.
Yes, we'll meet on
workshop.
Saturday. Right. So thank you. Good evening. Bye bye. And okay.